I'm giving you some questions. Question number 1. You have written the first question, right, Atif?
No, sir.
Atif,
No.
have you written the first question? No.
No, sir. No.
लिखिए लिखिए. You are here now, Umar. Syllabus is complete. I think that is why you're just having a revision class. Then we will discuss it. I'm giving questions only from those topics that I asked all of you to revise. Okay. So try these. I'm expecting answers, I mean correct answers for these questions. Then we can proceed. Are you done? I have only this much questions. How many is done? Do it fast, okay? Atif, are you done?
One more question.
Okay. And then send the answers to Nishkar sir, okay? Click a photo and send it to Nishkar sir.
Okay.
Atif and Umar, let me know if you're done, okay?
Done, sir. I sent.
So you have sent it, okay. What about Umar? Are you done? Okay. Okay. So the A and these are not right for you. Atif, everything is correct except A, and you have not written the answer for C. I will discuss those with them, those with you. Others are correct. Okay, others are correct.
Okay.
I'm waiting for Umar now. Umar, 2 more minutes, है ना? Just wind up, like click the photos and send it to Nishkarsh sir. I'm not ending the class. आप आंसर तो भेजिए उमर. Did you send the answer, उमर? हाँ तो भेजिए ना, उसके बाद ही तो होगा डिस्कस. नहीं मिल रहा तो फिर ना आप 1.5 घंटा लगा दीजिएगा एक ही सवाल पे. भेजिए. Send the answer, then only we will discuss. Okay, please send the answers. Okay, first of all, Atif, the thing I saw in your answer sheet was I did not see any work. You just gave me the answers, right?
Yes, sir, I did the rest in like another paper.
Okay, it will be good that if you send like those things also. I want to see how you are working, not only the answers, है ना? Okay, fine. So
Okay,
in this, first of all, we have to make a particular long chain and we have to write the complete carbon chain. So we have CH3 first, followed by 4 CH2 groups. So CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH2. After that, we have CH, followed by 3 CH2s. CH2, and then we have CH3. And in this CH, we have CH2, followed by CH, and there are 2 CH3 groups attached here. So first tell me, did you get this structure, yes or no?
sir, for after CH, I wrote by mistake I wrote 2 CH2 instead of 3 CH2. That's why I wrote as nonane. So that was the mistake.
So that was the mistake. So you got the mistake. Okay, fine. But again, no, again, it is not right. See, this is your parent, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this is your substituent. Now, in the substituent also, there is one more substituent, right? Correct?
Yes.
So there are two ways of naming. Either you can, if you can identify this. Can you identify this substituent? What is the substituent?
Sir, which one?
This one that I have marked in purplish color. Umar, I have not got your answer till now. Yes, Atif.
So is it 2-methyl propyl?
That is 2-methyl propyl. Correct. Okay, this is 2-methyl propyl. Now this 2-methyl propyl is on which carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth carbon, right? So this will be
Yes,
what?
sir.
5, 2-methyl propyl decane. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us look at this one. So first is, when we have a functional group here, we'll first of all name this part. So this will be bute 1ene, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Actually, the thing is that you have not learned, I think, IUPAC nomenclature with me. So I will start here like this. Functional group is E, unsaturation is En, then parent here is bute because of 4 carbons, and there is one substituent that is phenyl. So while numbering, I will start with that carbon atom which is near to the unsaturation. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 phenyl. Bute 1ene. You got it? Yes or no? Tell me, Atif.
So
Okay. Now others are fine. Others are fine. Now let us discuss ozonolysis reaction. So for ozonolysis, there are 4 different types of question. So I will start with the one that is quite straightforward. So this one question is straightforward here. Okay. Now I will start. Okay, tell me which one should I do out of these 4? Then you will be doing the rest of them. Tell me.
there any one of them is fine. I think.
Any one of them? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm doing this third one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
2-ethyl bute 1ene. So you just have to name the products. Okay. So that means you just have to write the products. So first of all, we'll write the alkene that we have, 2-ethyl bute. So bute means 4 carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. And the first carbon atom has a double bond. And then I have a ethyl group in this. This is C2H5. So this is my alkene. Correct? This is my alkene, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here we'll be having CH2 group. Here we'll be having CH2 group. Now in ozonolysis, just have to remember O3, zinc in the presence of H2O is the reagent, and then we break this bond like this. Add oxygen here, add oxygen here. So just write as it is, okay? Just write as it is. Double bond O plus carbon, double bond O, H2. So you can see that it is HCHO, correct? You have carbon atom that has 2 hydrogens. Right? So what will be the name of this molecule? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pentane 3-one, and this is methanol. Yes, I hope you don't have any problem with these. Right? Atif? Okay. And Umar, I've been asking you to send the answers. You have still not sent the answer. If you have sent the answer, please raise your hand. Just question 13.4. Atif, let me know if you're done. अरे कर लीजिए पहले उमर, उसके बाद जो किया वो भेज दीजिए. You send me whatever you have done. Atif and Amar, if you need more assistance, then please let me know. Just 2 more minutes, then I will start discussing. For the first one, you need to turn the mic on, Umar. Yes, Umar, please turn the mic on. Try rejoining. But your mic is not working. Try rejoining then. If you can't turn the mic on, try rejoining. Rejoin this class. Yes, Atif, you have sent?
Yes, sir.
So, Umar, you were able to do all of them, or did you have problem in any one of them? Yes, Umar. Umar, you did all of the three, the rest of the three, or you had any problem? So, Atif, am I audible? Hello, Atif?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm asking, is there any question that you had doubt? I have not received your answer yet. So I'm asking, you had any problem in any one of these three?
So the fourth one, sir.
Fourth one. What were you not able to? You were not able to make the structure?
Yes, sir. I had some confusions.
In making the structure?
No, not making the structure, naming.
Naming.
Yes, sir.
So one phenyl bute one ene will be bute. So 4 carbon atoms. And then we will having 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the right. This is the structure.
Yes.
We'll be making 1, 2, 3. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this carbon atom will have how many hydrogens? 1 hydrogen, right? This carbon atom will
Yes,
also
sir.
have 1
Yes, sir.
hydrogen. I hope you understand this. Yeah.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
Atif? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is what 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. So this will be propanol, and this is benzaldehyde. Okay. Right. Yes, can you turn the mic on now? So disconnect with the audio and then connect to the audio again. Try doing something. Otherwise, how will I teach? I can tell you the answer. Pent to in का answer तो हम बता सकते हैं ना आपको. The question was pent to in. Listen properly here. Umar, listen properly. I have pent, that means 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 carbon atoms, and in the second carbon atom, there will be a double bond. So first carbon, second carbon, double bond. After making the double bond, I will break this bond into 2 because I'm doing ozonolysis here. So this is O3, presence of zinc and H2O, and I will be making C double bond O. Now, as you can see, this carbon atom has 3 bonds, so there will be 1 hydrogen here plus double bond O, and there will be 1 hydrogen here. So this is 1 carbon, 2 carbon. So it is ethanol. Ethanol. So this will be ethanol. This is 1, 2, 3. So this will be propanol. Propanol. And this is ethanol. You got this, Umar? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. Let us do another question here. Okay. Listen to 13.5. Na? 13.5. An alkene A on ozonolysis give mixture of ethanol and pentane 3-on. Write the structure and IUPAC name of A. So I have A, an alkene. It is going to give me on ozonolysis ethanol. That means CH3 carbon double bond O, and there is a hydrogen here. Plus it is going to give me pentane 3-on. Pentane 3-on. So how many carbons pent? 5 carbons. And on the third carbon, I have double bond O. I have double bond O. So the first thing that is required in order to make the alkene. So what they have given the products, and you have to tell me what is the alkene used. Do all of you understand the question? Yes or no? Atif and Uber, understand what the questioner is saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's pretty easy. I think I have discussed this type of questions. What you will be doing, you will be writing them in such a manner that the double bond O face each other. The double bond O, they will face each other. Carbon. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. Third carbon has double bond O, and then you will just remove these two O, and you will join them. So this will be CH3, single bond carbon, double bond carbon, and this will have these two groups attached, ethyl groups attached to it. Now, when I'm going to name this, so I will be starting with So we have carbon 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 carbon is there. First of all, let us write the functional group, which is equal to E. The unsaturation is equal to En. The parent, it is equal to 4 carbon, that is why bute. Substituent. So this is the only thing that is not named as of now. This is ethyl. And ethyl, it is attached in the, oops, sorry. I missed one carbon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this will be pent. And ethyl is in the third carbon. So this is 3-ethyl. Pent 2-ene. 3-ethyl pent 2-ene. Is this clear, yes or no? Yes, guys, tell me. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us look at 13.7 first. Then I will be explaining the 13.6 question. So they are saying now propanol and pentane 3-on are ozonolysis product of an alkene. They're asking what is the structural formula for that alkene. 13.7. So I have an alkene, and on ozonolysis, it is going to give me prop means how many carbons? 3 carbons. So 1, 2, 3 carbon, double bond O, and hydrogen, and pentane 3-on. Pentane 3-on. अच्छा इससे पहले क्या था? Then also we had pentane 3-on only. So you can write pentane 3-on as 5 carbons and double bond O. So again, you will write them in such a manner that the oxygen, they are facing each other. And the oxygen will face each other. You will be getting, just combine these two and you will be making C double bond C. Now to name this 1, 2. So start with here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So again, the functional group is E. Unsaturation is En. Parent is 6 carbon, so it is hex. Then substituent is ethyl, and ethyl is in the third carbon atom, so 3-ethyl. So this will be 3-ethyl hex 3-ene. Okay. Any problem, guys? Please tell me.
No, sir.
No. Let us look at the next question. 13.6 is important because in 13.6, not a lot of information is withheld with you. It is not given very properly. Okay, fine. Now, 13.6, an alkane contains 3 CC bond, 8 CH bond, 3 CC and 8 CH sigma bonds, and 1 CC pi bond. And A on ozonolysis gives 2 moles of aldehyde. It is giving 2 moles of aldehyde. So I have an alkene. They're saying that it is A. And on ozonolysis, it is going to give me 2 moles of an aldehyde. That means we have only one product, but there are 2 moles of it. So when I look at the above reaction, in that I have been getting 2 different products, right? These are 2 different products. Correct? Here also I have 2 different products. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
But in this case, what I am getting? I'm getting only one aldehyde, but 2 moles of it. Okay. Now, please note, if you get only one product on ozonolysis, then the alkene is symmetrical. Okay, the alkene is symmetrical. This is one point. This is one point. Now, alkene is symmetrical. First of all, let us see what is the information given to us. We have got this much, that the alkene, whatever I'm going to make, it should be a symmetrical alkene. It should be a symmetrical alkene. Next is, this is the information that I got from this word analdehyde. It is making how many aldehydes? An aldehyde, one aldehyde. So I have only one product. Now, next information is about the bonds. So there is sigma bonds. There are some sigma bonds. So there are sigma bonds of two types, CC bonds, and there is sigma bond, which is CH. So CC, I have how many? I have 3 CC bonds and I have 8 CH bonds. And I also have a pi bond. I also have pi bonds. And this pi bond is between carbon and carbon. And this is how many? There is only one pi bond. Okay, only one pi bond. So first of all, let me make 3 sigma bonds. So I have, okay, before that, it is an alkene. Yes or no, Atif? It is an alkene, correct?
Yes.
So let me write CX, and how many hydrogens are there? 8 hydrogens are there, right? Because CH is 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be X? What will be the formula for this alkene?
4.
Yeah, very good. This is C4H8. C4H8. Now when you are going to make C4H8, the alkene, there are I can say there are 3 different isomers you can form. You can either make a but1-ene, or you can make but2-ene, or you can make if you see this is CH2, this is CH3, and this is CH3. Okay, so these are the only hydrocarbons. These are the only hydrocarbons which are possible if you have the formula C4H8, right? Now you tell me, if I give the ozonolysis here, if I do the ozonolysis in the third one, then obviously I'm going to get a ketone, right? Yes or no? One oxygen here, one oxygen here. So can you see that this fragment, this carbon atom, it is going to get an oxygen, and this carbon atom has 2 alkyl groups attached. So this is going to be a ketone, right? Yes or no? Can you see that, Atif? Take your time and tell me. You can make the product and see whether you are getting a ketone or an aldehyde. The purplish color. You will be getting this product, है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is an aldehyde or a ketone?
Ketone.
Ketone. So obviously this is not our product, correct? This is not our alkene, है ना? Now you tell me, out of these two, which one of them it is? Which one is symmetrical? Which of the following is symmetrical, A or B? Symmetrical नहीं आ रहा आपको समझ में, आतिफ?
Sorry, sir.
Symmetrical alkene, you understand what does symmetrical alkene mean?
Yes, sir. Yes, I understand.
हाँ तो बताइए, A और B कौन सा है symmetrical?
Sir, B.
हाँ तो B our product ना?
Yes, sir.
Because it is symmetrical. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next question. Look at the first one. First of all, tell me, can you make the structure p-nitrobromobenzene? Can you make the structure of p-nitrobromobenzene? First, tell me that. Yes, Atif, can you make the structure? Hello, Atif, Umar, am I audible? Okay, what is happening? Umar, can you make the structure? P-nitrobromobenzene. My voice is lagging. No, my internet is fine. I'm asking, can you make the structure? What happened, Atif? You can't turn the mic on?
No, it's fine, sir.
Did you go somewhere?
Hmm?
Did you leave for some time? What happened? I was asking, I was calling you for a very long time.
No, sir, I changed rooms there, so I had some disturbance in the other room, so.
Okay, fine. First of all, you will make the benzene. You can make a benzene, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We made a benzene. Now, what are the groups here? Do you know the structure of nitro and bromo?
Yes, sir.
What is nitro?
The nitro is NO2.
NO2. So, okay. Now you have a choice. You can choose any one of them, nitro or bromo, whatever you like. So let me write Br. Okay. So I will first of all write bromo. Okay. Now, what does this P mean? What does this P mean?
So
What
para.
does this P mean? Para. Okay. So where will be the nitro group? Tell me. In which carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Don't know. You know or don't know?
No, sir, I didn't
बताइए
realize that
बताइए.
part.
अच्छा ठीक है. ये याद रहेगा OMP012. Tell me.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
remember this? है ना? OMP012. OMP012. O से start कर लीजिए, बस इतना याद रखिए आप. Just remember this. I hope ortho meta para वो आपको याद रहेगा. OMP and then in sequence 012. In sequence 012. OMP012. OMP012. Okay. That means when I have ortho, there are 0 carbons between the substituent. When I have meta, there is 1 carbon between the substituent. When you have para, there are 2 carbons between the substituent. So tell me, if I want to write the para, So on which carbon atom should I attach the nitro group according to this? Whatever you can understand from here. I have
So
not told you
4.
much. Very good. Easy, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me for M, for the second one. I will draw the benzene ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I am attaching the chlorine here, where should be the nitro group?
Sir, 3.
3. Is there any other position that is also possible?
Yes, sir. 3 or 5.
3 or 5, right? 3 or 5. So NO2 will be here. Now listen to this. P nitrotoluene. You know the structure of toluene? Yes or no? Tell me. Do you know the
Sir,
structure of
is it
toluene?
benzene with 1 CH3?
Yeah, very good. Benzene with 1 CH3. पहले वो बना लीजिए आप. बताइए अब कौन से कार्बन पे होगा? अब नाइट्रो लगेगा बस, है ना? So nitro will be on which carbon?
Sir, 4.
Very good. ठीक है, पहले ये आना चाहिए, है ना? पहले ये आना चाहिए आपको. Now you tell me. Acetophenol. Do you know the structure of acetophenol? Do you know the structure of acetophenol?
No, sir.
No. सबसे पहले तो यहाँ कीटोन होगा, है ना? ओन है तो कीटोन होगा with a
Yes, sir.
benzene ring. Okay. This is the acetyl group, है ना? This is the acetyl group. That is why it is acetophenol. Acetophenol. Okay. You got it? Yes or no? Tell me. This is acetophenol. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let us try to make these things from benzene. Let us try to make these things from benzene. You will remember one rule. Can you read Hindi? Can you read Hindi, Atif?
Somewhat, sir.
Somewhat. अच्छा. उमर आपको आया ना ये? ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा उमर आपको आया? Okay. Okay. Can you read this, Atif?
Sir, जो है वो पहले.
You understand what does mean? You understand what it means?
No, sir.
अरे इसका मतलब नहीं पता आपको, वो का मतलब पहले का मतलब कौन से वर्ड का मतलब नहीं पता आपको? You know the meaning of all the words, ना? It may be that in this one phrase it is not making any sense, but you know the meaning of जो है वो पहले. You know all of these words, right? Yes or no, Atif? उमर आपको तो
Sir,
आया होगा?
I'm not very well versed in Hindi, sir.
अच्छा, okay, fine. Let me give the first example, then you will understand. I have to go from benzene. When they are asking me to convert benzene to p-nitrobromobenzene, that means I have to give a set of reaction which leads to this product. Correct? I have to give a set of reagent. So in the benzene, we have to attach two different groups. I have to attach a nitro group, and I have to also attach a Bromo group. So what type of reaction are we going to do? Tell me. For if I want to add a nitro group, what is the electrophilic aromatic substitution that I have to do? And for bromination, what I have to do? Tell me. Yeah. Atif, nahi yaad?
We have to add H2SO4.
Nitration, na? I have to do nitration. Remember these reactions.
Yeah, nitration.
Nitration, boliye, nitration. Nitration, that means HNO3 plus H2SO4. Bromination के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have to add Br2 in the presence of FeBr3. ठीक है? We have to do how many reactions? Tell me, Atif, how many reactions we have to do? 2, na?
Yes, sir, 2 reactions.
2 reactions. So which will be done first? Okay, so which will be done first? First one. अरे भाई first कौन सा है? Nitration या bromination? This is bromination. देखिए उसके लिए आपको ये करना है, जो है वो पहले. Now you tell me here. Now you tell me. Atif, please tell me. This is a para product, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, nitration is plus M or minus M? Nitro group is what? Plus M or minus M? Nitro group is plus M or minus M? नहीं याद आतिफ? उमर बताइए, नाइट्रो ग्रुप इज प्लस एम और माइनस एम? बहुत जल्दी बताइए, या तो नहीं पता तो बोलिए. This will be ortho-para directing or meta directing. What is the direction? Ortho-para or meta? माइनस एम का क्या होता है? Ortho-para or meta? What is the directive effect? If I have a minus M group, then the electrophilic aromatic substitution happens on which position? Ortho, para or meta? What about bromine? Bromine is what? Plus M or minus M? Bromine is plus M or minus M? क्या लिखा है आपने? ठीक से लिखिए. What is bromine, plus M or minus M? Please rewrite the answer. I could not understand what you have written. So it is ortho-para directing or meta directing? Is it ortho-para directing? Very good. O and P directing, na? And what type of product do we need? What type of product do we need? Para directing product है कि नहीं? Para nitro bromobenzene. Para nitro bromobenzene. Correct? So we need para nitro bromobenzene. So वही हम बोल रहे थे, जो है, that means we have para product here. since we have para product here, we will be doing that first. So since we have para, we will be doing the plus M first. So that means plus M is bromination. So we will be doing bromination first. Br2 in the presence of FeBr3, we will be making benzene ring with bromine attached to it. And after that, we will be doing nitration in which we will be adding HNO3 plus H2SO4. Because when I add, please listen very carefully, when I add a plus M group, then only I will be getting a para product. Otherwise, I will be getting a meta product if I added nitration first. So I will be getting, first of all, NO2 like this. And after NO2, if I do the bromination, Br2 FeBr3, then I will be getting a meta product. That is why we have to do the bromination first and nitration afterwards. If I did nitration first, I will be getting nitrobenzene, and after that, bromination will give me meta product and not para product. That is why we first have to do. This is wrong. This is not a right way of doing, because we need a para product. I will be adding the plus M group, which is going to give me a para product. Okay, which is going to give me a para product. Is this clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Is this clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Next question. Metanitro chlorobenzene. Metanitro-chlorobenzene. So whenever you are going to get from benzene, you have to make any molecule from benzene, you will be asking yourself two questions. First of all, what are the groups that are added? And is this whatever you have been given here, what are the groups that you will get already from this is nitro and chloro? There are two groups here, right? I have nitro group and chloro group. Nitro, NO2, and I have to add a chloro group. I have to add a chloro group, okay, on benzene. So first question is, what are the groups? Then the next question that you have to ask yourself, is whether this product, whether whatever you are going to prepare, it is ortho, para, or meta. So here you are seeing that ortho, meta, or para. So what are the groups that are being added? You have to add two groups. One is NO2 and the other is chlorine. Chlorine group and NO2 group, right? Chlorine group and NO2 group. And in ortho, meta, para, you are seeing that you are getting a meta product. Okay, so this is meta. So you have to make meta. So you will be adding, add minus M group first. Okay, meta product means add minus M group first. So you tell me which one of them is meta product? Which of them is meta product, chlorine or nitro? Which will give meta? Which is minus M? Tell me, A or B? Which is minus M? A or B, which is minus M? A or B, which is minus M? What happened, Umar? Which is minus M, guys, here? Chlorine or nitro? Don't know what is happening. Why you guys are not answering them? Yes, Umar? Which of the following is minus M?
Sir, NO2,
Where were you, Atif?
there's some problem, sir.
What problem?
Some issues with my iPad, sir.
Could not hear that. Can you repeat that?
Some issues with my iPad.
नहीं उमर, आप फिर से क्लोरीन अभी हाइड्रोजन है ना, नाइट्रो है ना आपका माइनस एम, अभी तो बताया था यहाँ पे माइनस एम नाइट्रो होगा. सो फर्स्ट वी विल बी डूइंग नाइट्रेशन. That will give me NO2 group here. Then we'll be doing Cl2, that is chlorination with AlCl3. And I will be getting a meta product like this. That's it for today. On Wednesday, we'll have test on states of matter. Okay. We'll have test on states of matter on Wednesday.